Hello and welcome to our tech talk about acoustic hailing technology. We are Great Lakes Sound and Vibration, a small business located in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. The SIBR topic we have been working on is entitled Focused Enhanced Acoustic Driver Technologies for Long-Range Non-Lethal Hail and Warn Capabilities. We are on the home stretch of our Phase 2 contract and excited to pitch our technology here to hopefully gain some interest and identify opportunities for transitioning to Phase 3 activities. GLSV is located in Michigan's Upper Peninsula, with offices in Houghton and Calumet. We currently employ 58 people, including engineers, manufacturing personnel, and office staff. Our mission is to provide complete customer-specific solutions for sound, vibration, and shock problems in the North American defense market. We work with shipyards and ground vehicle OEMs to solve challenging problems and produce viable solutions. We have multiple engine exhaust systems in production on Army ground vehicles and Navy ships, for which we have done the concept development, analysis, detailed design, prototypes, testing, and production manufacturing. Our ability to do all of the work in-house and willingness to take on tough challenges allows us to bring a lot of value to our customers. This is recognized in the number of projects where we provide high-performing solutions and ultimately win the subsequent production work, which we also prefer to keep in-house. We actively manage relationships with all of our current customers and are looking to continue to grow our company. Acoustic hailing devices will be a new product for us, and it has been nothing less than a great journey through phases 1 and 2 of the SIBR project. We have subcontracted a couple key partners to bolster our capabilities in the design and manufacture of acoustic drivers for long-range hailing devices. Moving forward, we will continue to develop our engineering and manufacturing expertise of high-performance drivers to ensure this part of the hailing device will set our technology apart from the COTS providers. GLSV is a multifunctional engineering and manufacturing company. Some examples of the services we provide are NVH design, which focuses on custom intake and exhaust systems, as well as isolation systems for powertrain integration. We also provide simulation modeling, which includes FEA, CFD, thermal, acoustic, shock and vibration, as well as DDAM analysis. We have also been involved with multiple software and controls development projects. The testing services we provide at our facilities include noise and vibration characterization testing, shaker table for vibration testing, environmental chamber, dynamometer cell, and anechoic chamber. We also travel to perform noise and vibration characterization testing on site. GLSV has over 30,000 square feet of manufacturing space between our two facilities. We have a strong skill set in metal fabrication, including stainless steel, titanium, aluminum, among others. We hold welding procedures and certifications in accordance with many of the Army and Navy weld requirements. We are AS 9100D certified and strive to continually improve our product development processes and procedures. These are a few examples of the many services we provide, and we continue to grow our capabilities. The current challenge for the DoD is to field an acoustic hailing device that expands long-range hail and warn capability while reducing the size and weight of the hardware. To meet current DoD hail and warn range performance requirements, the COTS AHD systems get very large, up to 64 inches in diameter, are very heavy, up to 350 pounds, and are also very expensive, over $100,000. The next generation hailing device needs to be able to project sound levels in the range of 156 decibels at frequencies as low as 200 hertz and be able to account for atmospheric attenuation in a variety of battlefield environments. There is a difficult challenge in being able to deliver highly intelligible speech at these levels in these conditions. The push for increased performance in the realm of acoustic hail and warn goes back to a 2009 ICD from the Joint Requirements Oversight Committee that spells out a need for new acoustic driver technology. Within the Department of Defense Non-Lethal Weapons Program, the Joint Intermediate Force Capabilities Office has taken on development of this technology through the SIBR program. GLSV has come to fully understand the operational need of the joint services and is preparing to deliver a system that meets the requirements for non-lethal hail and warn. The goal of this SIBR project is to develop a long-range acoustic hailing device that produces both middle and low frequencies, 200 to 2500 Hz. Low frequency response is a critical part of the product being developed by GLSV for multiple reasons. First, low frequencies travel further through the atmosphere. We have researched this extensively both in acoustic standards and through U.S. Army acoustic propagation software. If the AHD can produce high sound pressure levels at lower frequencies, the message will propagate better through the atmosphere and therefore have a greater operational distance. Secondly, we are trying to increase low frequency response in order to better communicate spoken messages. Research suggests that some languages rely more heavily on low frequencies to convey information. Increasing low frequency response will therefore also increase intelligibility in those situations. The first step in designing an AHD that projects into the low frequency range is to use a suitable driver. We plan to provide next generation AHD capabilities by integrating a new compression driver designed specifically for hailing applications. The GLSV driver is being optimized for high-level, low and medium frequency speech communications. To accomplish this goal, we have utilized computer acoustic modeling capabilities and conducted numerous hours of product testing, as well as pairing up with industry experts in compression driver design. Even with a leading-edge compression driver, efficient and high-level acoustic output is impossible without a properly coupled acoustic horn. We have expanded our rapid prototyping capabilities to create a horn design workflow that allows us to model, fabricate, and test the horns in-house. This allows us to quickly develop custom horns for specific long-range hailing applications with optimal performance while maintaining an easily deployable package. Currently, we are at TRL 4 with our hailing technology. We have completed countless hours of lab testing doing characterization, development and performance testing on compression drivers, horns, and beamforming techniques. Full system prototype builds were completed in Q4 of fiscal year 2023, with testing of those systems conducted to aid further development. To wrap up Phase 2, we will finalize the system design and manufacturing plan and do operational testing on full system prototypes. Our goal is to be ready for Phase 3 transition upon completion of Phase 2. We will be actively seeking opportunities with potential customers to demonstrate our system in operational environments and get on a path to produce fully qualified units. There are multiple key advantages and benefits that GLSV's acoustic hailing device brings to the table. We are vertically integrated, allowing us to manage risk in all stages of development, from concept design to production. We work closely with our customers and take on the risks and challenges of technology development in order to provide the utmost value with our solution. Having worked through the design and manufacturing processes, we now have the capability to produce high-performing, affordable hailing devices. Ultimately, our hailing device will provide potential customers with better long-range performance in a smaller, lighter package. Planning beyond Phase 2, GLSV is willing to perform demos of the prototype system and support full operational testing in any environment. We would take advantage of any opportunity to validate and qualify our product for joint service use. Our goal is to produce our hailing device in large numbers and become the go-to source for long-range hail and warning equipment across the DoD. GLSV maintains a highly capable production facility and would scale up our hailing device production line to meet demand as needed. We are currently working to grow our business, and this will be a great opportunity to expand our manufacturing capability and capacity. We would prefer to work directly with key customers in the DoD responsible for integrating acoustic hailing devices. We are always looking to develop new relationships within the DoD in order to help us better serve the needs of existing and potential new customers. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to hearing from you. Feel free to reach out by phone or email at any time. We'd be glad to answer any questions and discuss potential projects or applications where acoustic hailing performance is important.